Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scott wrestles with everyday maintenance tasks on his car, mostly because the designs aren't very good. And today I will be trying to put a tail lamp bulb in the Volkswagen Touran behind me. So first things first, let's have a look at the book. Now the bulb in question is actually in the body of the car rather than in the boot. So we have to look at this section, page 310, changing the bulbs in the taillight cluster in the body. And the instructions are quite detailed, lots and lots and lots of them. But let's pay very close attention to this one here. Number 4. Take a good look at that, remove the fuse, press the red catch on the connector, pull out the connector. Job done. Let's see how accurate that might be. So we find ourselves in the reasonably large boot of the Tiguan, and I will eventually do one of my very popular, over 600 people viewed the last one, reviews of this car sometime very soon. But for now, we'll just change this bulb. So ignore all the stuff that's in the boot. There's a lot of junk in here because we don't travel light. First things first, okay? This plastic cover needs to come off, and that's fairly straightforward. You can do it with the key. I've got my little screwdriver, and let's see how well I can do it with the screwdriver. Off it pops. Awesome. Now remember, we were looking to disconnect the fuse. Can you see a fuse that needs disconnected in there? I can't. No fuse that I can see. So next, press the red button. Okay, I'm pressing the red button. I'm pressing it. I'm pressing it. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't press. That's because it doesn't press. What you need to do is get your screwdriver. Let's see if I can do this while filming it. But get your wee screwdriver in there. Remember, try not to drop it into the body of the car as you do it, and pop it out like that. Not press it in, you pop it out, and then the connector comes off. Easy peasy. Next, unscrew this. There you go. Brilliant. Once you've unscrewed that, the light comes out of the back of the car. Quite the thing. Well, I've got to do it one-handed because I'm holding on to this, but look, it just pops out. Awesome. So we'll lie it down here. Next thing, I can't do with one hand, so I'm going to have to put the camera down, but all of these little lugs need to be disconnected. There's 4 of them. Well, that's it out. And there it sits, and it's the clear bulb that I need to replace because it's the rear light that's out. Although weirdly it works for the brakes. I don't understand what's happening there, so hopefully this will fix it. So to get it out, you, again doing this one-handed, you just pop it out, and there it is, popped out. Then you take your new bulb and you just pop it in. Probably best not to do it like that, but there you go. In. And once you've done that, you put it all back together. Then with 2 hands, not the one hand I'm going to use, you put it back into the body of the car. That's it upside down, so you don't do it that way around. Oh. Then you readjust this to tighten it up. That's it. And then we reinsert the plug into the hole, click, and then we press the red button. And we're almost done. And then we test it. Switch the lights on. And there it is, good as new. And because I'm a little bit weird, I do both of them at the same time. So there you have it. Tail lights on a Volkswagen Touran replaced. Easier than changing and putting AdBlue into Citroen Grand C4 Picasso, no doubt, but did take me a little bit to work out what was going on with that red button, I must admit. Anyway, hopefully that helps someone. See you again.